Have you ever wondered what it would be like to build the Home Alone set from Lego? Well, in today's video, we're going to do just that. This is set number 21330, and it came with 3,955 pieces and 5 minifigures. Right now, it retails for $300 compared to the $250 last year before the price increase. This set is packed with a lot of awesome features from the movie and also comes with 2 auxiliary builds like this van and the tree house that you can see in the background. We are definitely going to have to take a look at each one of these details because they are awesome. Some of the play functions and everything else, it's just great. Let's start building.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am. But right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a
This build is awesome, and we're going to start here with the attic inside of the McAllister house. So as you can see, the attic does have some details. It has a spider web, it has Kevin's bed upstairs, and also a gumball machine. There isn't much to it, but it is a small space. The roof comes off because it's pretty much like a modular building, and then the front of the second floor opens all the way up completely so you can see what's going on inside. Just take a look at these bedrooms. We have Buzz's bedrooms. We also have Mr. and Mrs. McAllister's bedroom. We have the paint can that falls down the stairs, and then we also have the master bath. LEGO also made sure to pack a lot of details in here, like adding little accessories and then putting some family portraits on the stairs, and then also a bunch of details inside the master bedroom itself as well. So moving on from the second floor, we're going to move right down to the first floor, and it comes off just like the roof did. It's just held on by a couple studs, so this thing's pretty much like a modular building. The front of it also opens up so you can see all the awesome details that they packed inside. On the left-hand side, you're going to notice an Easter egg from the Lost in New York movie. It is the picture of the Empire State Building. You also have Jordan on top of the train, and then also a mannequin and the dining room table inside the dining room. So when the bandits were outside, they thought that there was a party going on inside of the house. This thing's pretty sweet, and moving on to the outside, LEGO left no stone unturned, and they put a bunch of detail on the outside of the house, like these awesome decorations, to make it look really Christmassy, and they put some really cool snow details in. As you spin this on the outside, when we move to the inside, I'm going to show you exactly what it does. So as you spin it, the Jordan poster and also the mannequin rotate in either direction that you decide to spin it. They have a full Technic piece down in the basement that connects all this together. Moving on to the back of the house, you can see that the kitchen section and the basement are also attached to the back of the house. This one's pretty easy to get off because it's modular as well, and it's just held on by 4 pins. So once you pop it off, that piece is separate, and then this thing can open up just like the rest of the house. Looking at the back of this, or the front if you want to call it that, LEGO put a lot of detail in here by adding all of the ice features. With this thing broken apart, it really opens up, and you can see all the cool details that they have throughout the kitchen and in the basement scene. Check it out. As you follow the zip line out of the back of the house, it leads down to Kevin's treehouse, which is an awesome bonus build. As you can see, it's packed with a bunch of details too, like the airplane on top of the leaves, the pair of scissors, and also the pirate flag. And then as you move down the treehouse to the bottom, it has this awesome ladder. The OK plumbing van is also really cool. It has a ton of details. The back of this thing opens up, and it has some great sticker elements on it as well. The roof of the OK plumbing van also comes off, and it has a bunch of added detail on the inside as well, like some of the things that the wet bandit stole from the other houses. The LEGO Home Alone set also comes equipped with 5 minifigures. You have Kevin McAllister, Mrs. McAllister, you have Marv, you have Harry, and then you also have that mean, grumpy old man with the trash can and the shovel. So Harry and Trash Can Man only have one-sided faces, while the other 3 minifigures have 2-sided faces. Marv has the iron, Mrs. McAllister has the classic Kevin face, and then Kevin also has his nice little frightened face when the burglars break in. I wanted to say thank you for joining me in this week's video. If you did enjoy this video, please leave it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Each week I try to put out some type of LEGO content. I really hope that you guys in the future here get a chance to build this awesome LEGO set, and if not, I hope you really got something from my video that kind of shows you what this set was all about. Overall, I think it is a great set, and if you want to add it to your collection, I think it's a no-brainer, and you should definitely do it, especially if you have the extra money to put out. It is a little bit expensive, but it's definitely worth it. I'll see you next week.